The second drill, which is a bit more advanced and will definitely help, maybe have a bit more benefit for your aerobic capacity, is this one. So start at a corner flag and gently jog around the perimeter of the football pitch until you're back to your starting point. Now run at 70% of your top speed to the halfway line before slowing down to a jog for the rest of the lap. Once you're back at the starting point, run at 70% of your full length of the pitch, slowly down to a jog at the opposing corner flag and making your way around to your starting point. Fitness permitting, you can either repeat the first 3 steps or you'll continue building up, or you can continue building up the distance covered in your sprints until you work your way to being able to run around the 70% level around the whole pitch in one go. So they're your aerobic capacity or fitness tests. The next one is the 1 rep max. And this is a test to measure maximum strength from specific muscle groups. And this specific muscle group we were aiming at were like biceps, triceps. You got a score of 35 kilograms, and this was the max you could weigh in a good technique curl. So compared to the numbers data, this is good. However, therefore, this is not exactly one of your strengths, it's not one of your weaknesses. Also, the reason why I chose this was because in football, when it's a sideline, sometimes you have to throw the ball in, or could be maybe specific for a goalkeeper who has to throw the ball, or it's also just good to have good arm strength. So this is the exercise I'm going to get you to do is a lot more simple, and this is just like a non-pressure exercise for someone like you who just wants to maybe gently increase it. It's not totally important for football, but it's just good to have. So use a dumbbell in each hand and do 1 set of bicep curls for 5 repetitions. Then follow this immediately with a set of 4 repetitions, then a set of 3 repetitions, and then repeat until you hit 0. So you do this, and also start at 25, let's say. Do these, then work your weights up until you gradually increase the weights you can lift. This is just going to get your biceps a bit stronger, and then eventually you should be able to lift higher weights.